cartooning friends. I'm so excited to be here today. This is Margaret Cranes's cartooning workshop, lesson 1. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw cartoon characters right from the very beginning. And it doesn't matter if you've never drawn before, because I'm going to teach you how. All you will need is a biro or a pencil or a texter, anything that you can draw with. And then you'll need a piece of paper. Photocopy paper's fine, or if you've got your own very special sketchbook, that's fine too. And these are some of my characters that I've drawn. So let's get started, and I'm going to teach you how to draw lots of fun characters. Hi cartoon friends, do you have your pencil and paper ready? Let's begin drawing simple cartoon characters. We start each character with a shape, and I'm going to begin by drawing a simple circle. Now you can draw any shape that you want. So I've got a simple circle, and the next character, because we're going to draw a couple on the page, we're going to draw a few different shapes. So we've got another sort of oval shape, and we've got another kind of sort of squarish shape, and we've got a pear shape. Now our characters need eyes. So let's begin by putting some eyes on our shapes. The one thing that you have to think about is making sure that the eyes are somewhere in the middle of the face. So let's put the eyes somewhere in the middle. I'm going to do some tiny little dots for eyes. We're going to keep it simple. And the same with my second character, somewhere halfway in the middle. We're going to draw some tiny little eyes. And with my third character, this time I think I'm going to give him some different sorts of eyes, maybe a little bit more circular and a tiny little dot in there. Same with this character, a circle, big circles, some little dots, but I think I'm going to give her, this is going to be a lady, some eyelashes. Now, all our characters need ears. They need to be able to hear what you're saying. So let's give our characters some ears. Now, an easy way of knowing where to put your ears is that they're in line with our eyes. So let's put our ears all in line with our eyes. This character I've decided, I think I might give him pointy ears. And my lady, I think I'm going to give her tiny little ears, but I think I'm going to give her some earrings. And I might make them quite interesting, like little stars. Some sparkly star earrings. Now, all our characters need a nose. So, can you draw a wiggle or a little shape? Now, noses come in all shapes and sizes. This character I've decided is going to have a little bit of a roundish nose. A little sort of hook nose. This one's going to have a little button nose. And this character I think might also have a bit of an interesting wiggly sort of nose. So you can make up any nose you want. And I think my lady's going to have a tiny little wee button nose. Now, let's go back to the man. I think he needs to have, let's see, a happy face. He's feeling quite happy today. But my baby is a little bit sad. And my man, oh, he's feeling a little bit angry today. Rrr. Rrr. He's a bit mad. And my lady over here, she is totally surprised. Ooh, what's happened? I'm going to give her some little lips too. Now, all our characters, to give them a little bit more expression, we're going to give them some eyebrows. So when you're happy, your eyebrows are up. When you're a bit sad, your eyebrows are down. When you're a bit mad, they're like, ah! Bit of a flick of a line. And when you're surprised, woo! Now, the last thing we want to do is, can you guess? Hair. So I'm going to give my characters some hair. Now this man over here, I've decided he's just going to have a little bit of hair just above his ears. He's a little bit older too. And he's losing his hair, so maybe just a few little bits on top. Now also, because he's a little bit older and he hasn't been sleeping a lot, so maybe I'll give him some bags under his eyes. And he hasn't shaved lately. He decided he didn't feel like shaving, so maybe a little bit of stubble. There we go. Now baby. Babies don't usually have a lot of hair, maybe just a single curl. And I think baby's going to have a few freckles. And my angry little man, I think I'm going to give him a bit of a spiky hairstyle. With a little bit of a tiny little fringe. And I'm going to colour his hair in. And for my lady, I've decided I'm going to give her curly hair. So let's give her some curly hair. And I'm going to colour her hair in as well. So I'm going to circles, I'm going to draw lots of circles for giving, and give her lots of little curls. Look at her hair. She's got beautiful hair. Now next week, I'm going to teach you how to give your characters some accessories, some hats, maybe a scarf, maybe they're wearing a skivvy, and a body. So, see you later, kids. See you next week for lesson 2.